Factor and solve for x squared minus 15x minus 25 equals 0. For guess and check method, we are going to make sure when we multiply these two numbers, they come up as 4x squared. So we need to factor 4x squared. Factors for 4x squares are either 2x times 2x or 4x times 1x. We choose here 2x times 2x, so the first term is 4x squared. And for these two, we have factors for 25 as 5 times negative 5 or 25 times negative 1 or negative 1 times 25. So I am choosing here is plus 5 and minus 5 equals 0. So we have here is 2x times 2x is 4x squared, and we have here is 5 times negative 5, which is negative 25. We are going to see if we have x term as negative 15. If we multiply these two, we get 10x, and if we multiply these two, we get negative 10x. And if you add them, you get 0x, which is not our middle term, so we are rejecting this, so this is not our factors. Next set of values I'm choosing is 4x times x for the first term, and minus 5 and plus 5. We get last term as negative 25, first term as 4x squared. Let's see if we get the middle term as negative 15x. When I get the x term this time, I got 15x, but this is positive. So still, this is not going to be our factors, but we are pretty close to the factors. All we need is that negative 15x. If we switch the sign of these terms, so negative here and positive here, then we're going to get our right factors. So 4x plus 5 times x minus 5 equals 0. Now if you get here is 5x and negative 20x, the middle term become negative 15x. This time our choice is correct. So our factors are 4x plus 5 times x minus 5 equals 0. Now the question is to solve for x. To solve for x, I'm applying zero product property. So set these two factors equal to 0 one by one and solve for x. Here I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides. 4x equals negative 5 and divide with 4. X equals negative 5 over 4 plus 5 on both sides. X equals 5. So the two answers are x equals negative 5 over 4 and x equals 5. Here is the whole question with guess and check method. Second method to solve is cross and box method. For the cross and box method, product goes on the top. That is 4 times negative 25. That is negative 100. On the bottom is the middle term. That is negative 15, which is called sum. You're looking for two numbers that goes into this position that multiplies to get negative 100 and add to or subtract to get negative 15. Those two numbers should be factor of 100. When we multiply, we get negative 100, and when we add them, then we get negative 15. So the numbers are negative 20 and 5. Negative 20 times 5 is negative 100, and negative 20 times 5 is negative 15. So here we have a box. In the first space, in this first place, we using the first term from the given equation, so 4x squared. Across it, this position is the last term from the given equation, negative 25, and other two places will be filled with the number that we found with x values. So we use here is 20x and 5x. Now we use this row and take the GCF from this row and write it over here. GCF is the greatest common factor that divide this number and this number. So the greatest common factor is 4, and for variable is 4x. Once you get this number should be, when you multiply these two, should get you 4x squared. So this number should be x. And when you multiply these two numbers, it should get you negative 20x. So this number should be negative 5. Here, you're going to multiply it by 5. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. The outer number makes two pair, and we write it as factor form as x minus 5 times 4x plus 5 equals 0. To solve for x, you put both the factors equal 0 one by one and solve for x. Here you plus 5 on both sides, and x equals 5 is the answer. Here you subtract 5, and after that divide by 4, and you're going to get x equals negative 5 over 4.